How to stop worrying and start living. Once upon a time, there was a young man named Sam. Sam was always worried about something. He worried about his job, his future, and even little things like what he would eat for dinner. Every day, he was filled with anxiety and fear about what might happen next. One day, Sam decided he had had enough of worrying. He felt tired and unhappy all the time. He wanted to change his life but didn't know how. He remembered hearing about a wise old man who lived at the top of a hill outside his town. People said the old man knew the secrets to a happy life. Desperate for help, Sam decided to visit him. The next morning, Sam climbed the hill to find the wise old man. After a long and tiring walk, he finally reached the top. There, sitting under a large tree, was the old man, peacefully watching the sunrise. Sam approached him and said, "Sir, I am always worried. I don't know how to be happy or enjoy my life. Can you please help me?" The old man looked at Sam with kind eyes and said, "Of course, my child. But first, you must answer a question. What do you worry about the most?" Sam thought for a moment and replied, "I worry about my future. I worry about my job, my health, and whether I'll ever be successful." The old man nodded and asked, "And what do these worries bring you? Do they make your life better?" Sam shook his head, feeling a bit ashamed. "No, they don't. They make me feel tired, sad, and scared all the time." The old man smiled gently. "Then why do you hold on to them? Worrying is like carrying a heavy bag of rocks. The more you carry it, the more tired you become. But if you put it down, you feel lighter and free." Sam had never thought about it this way. He asked, "But how do I put down my worries? They always come back." The old man stood up and walked to a small garden nearby. He pointed to a beautiful flower and said, "Look at this flower. It doesn't worry about tomorrow. It simply grows and enjoys the sunshine. It does what it can each day and trusts that everything will be okay. You can do the same." Sam was confused. "But what if something goes wrong? What if I fail?" The old man chuckled. "Failure is a part of life, just like success. Worrying about it will not stop it from happening. Instead, focus on what you can control. Do your best in everything, and then let go of the rest. Live in the present, not in the future or the past." The old man continued, "Remember, Sam, life is like a river. It flows naturally, with ups and downs. If you try to control it, you will only tire yourself. But if you learn to go with the flow, you will find peace and happiness." Sam listened carefully to the old man's words. He realized that he had been trying to control everything in his life, which only made him more anxious. He decided to try the old man's advice. From that day on, Sam started to focus on the present. He stopped worrying about things he couldn't control. Instead of stressing about his job, he did his best at work each day. Instead of fearing failure, he saw it as an opportunity to learn and grow. Slowly but surely, Sam began to feel lighter and happier. He enjoyed his days more and found peace in small moments. He started spending time with friends, trying new hobbies, and appreciating the beauty around him. One day, Sam returned to the hill to thank the old man. Thank you, sir, he said. Your advice has changed my life. I have learned to stop worrying and start living. The old man smiled warmly. I am glad to hear that, Sam. Remember, life is too short to be spent worrying. Enjoy each moment, do your best, and let life take its course. That is the true secret to happiness. Sam nodded, feeling a deep sense of gratitude. He realized that happiness was not something he had to chase, it was already within him. All he needed to do was let go of his worries and live in the present. From then on, Sam lived a happy and fulfilling life. He stopped worrying about the future and focused on making the most of each day. And whenever he felt worried, he remembered the wise old man's words and smiled.